Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the new Magic Capture camera mode on your Google Pixel 11. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and open up the camera app. From here in the camera app, we have the photo icon right at the top here, but we're going to click on the icon right here. Now we got our Magic Capture enabled. Let me just go over and take a picture like that. And now it's capturing video and photos. So as you guys can see, we can easily check stuff. We can put our phone like this. We can stop. And once we stop, we got everything here. So it is now processing the Magic Capture. This is our Magic Capture. Also, it's finding the moments here. So we got a 13-second video. It can find some cool moments that the app thinks it's just worth putting in. And we can also see that it found some more moments. And it actually looks really good. So let me just try it again. Now let me try it that way. So I got some more. Let's check it out. Let's see how it works like. So here we have the video. It's finding the moments, and once it finds the moments, we should be good. So now let's go over, and we have our Magic Capture here. We got our Magic Capture here, also here, and that's how you guys can use it. So you can create it to shoot some good moments. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.